So, hello, dear student. My voice is audible, everyone. Hello, everyone. My voice is audible. Please confirm once. Good evening, everyone, dear student. Please confirm my voice is audible or not. Everyone, dear student, please confirm. Yes, I think my voice is now audible. Okay. So, dear student, once again, very good evening to all. Today we are going to discuss about 16th June Odisha specific current affair. For national level current affair, we are already preparing the Hindu newspaper analysis. That is, you will find in the morning. So please watch that in our main channel, Strivage IS channel. So here you will get only the Odisha specific newspaper in just 10 minutes. Okay? So to get this PDF, you simply scan this QR code, or you can join our Telegram. You'll get this PDF. Okay? So we have prepared that so that you can complete entire Odisha related newspaper in just 10 minutes. Okay, and during our discussion I am going to give you task, let's say 3 to 4 tasks I am going to give each and every day. So it is your responsibility. You'll have to study this task and complete that. Okay, let me share my screen. So some important news of the day. So first one is the CM take urgent step to curb the spread of the diarrhea. So recently, you know that after monsoon coming into Odisha particularly, or all over the India, the Odisha is suffering from the diarrhea because मैंने already ମୁଁ तुमको काली କହିଥିଲି कि कौन हुए देखो ट्यूबवेल रु आमे कौन डीप प्योर थाए যেতବେଳେ মনসুন আসিବ କଣ ହବ ପାଣି ସବୁ ଫ୍ଲଡ୍ ହେଇଯାଏ ସେଠି ଫ୍ଲଡ୍ ହେଲା ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ଉପରୁ ପାଣି ଯେତେବେଳେ ପିଉଛ ତା ମାନେ ସେଟା ଗନ୍ଧା ପାଣି ଆମର ସବୁ ନଈର ଗନ୍ଧା ପାଣି ପିଇଲା ମାନେ ଡାଇରିଆ ହେଇଥାଏ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାକୁ ଆମେ କଣ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଡିସଇନଫେକ୍ସନ କରିବାକୁ ପଡେ ଡାଇରିଆ ठीक है सो amidst outbreak of diarrhea some area of Jajpur Keonjhar district chief minister Mohan Charan Majhi ji direct health department to take urgent measure to prevent its spread in neighboring district currently 2 to 3 district is suffering from the diarrhea one is Jajpur Bhadrak then Keonjhar district. So neighboring district have also been advised to remain vigilant and disinfection of drinking water resources has been begun in the Jajpur district. So temporary ban on the street food sale. Why? Why? If you are not making food in a proper hygienic condition, so there might be chances of spreading of virus also, like virus, bacteria, fungus. So that can cause the diarrhea also. So next it is given temporary ban on the street food sale and intensification of food safety inspection. So we need to conduct the food safety inspections to ensure that to everyone. So next is there is another team, Indian Council of Medical Research. So dear student, you have to study about ICMR. So ICMR is established under which act? What are the function? Headquarter ICMR ka, where headquarters is located? Because this year it is asking about CSIR. What is the objective of CSIR? So they can ask about ICMR. So I am going to daily give you 4 to 5 tasks. So after 10 minutes of this video, okay, so you have to do that task and complete that, and whatever I am giving the question you have to write in the comment box. So according to that we'll proceed further. Okay, so next is 16 people have been died in the outbreak in Jajpur district. So rural water supply and sanitation team are disinfecting the water resources, and disease surveillance is also carrying out in full swing, so that we should control the spread of this disease. So basically the disease is spread because of the reason I'm just going to discuss. I have written all the reason for spread of the the diarrhea, and what are the what are the preventive measure that we need to take also. The ASA and Anganwadi worker, health worker have been supplied halogen tablets and virus packets. So you need to know that halogen tablets and those who are affected with the diarrhea. Okay, people have been advised to take precautionary measure, avoid outside food. If food are not during monsoon, there is a high chances that some ଅଳିଆ ମଳିଆ ଗନ୍ଧା ପାଣି ଆମେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତି କାହିଁକି ନା ମନସୁନରେ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ଆମର ନଈର ପାଣି ପଳେଇ ଆସେ ମାଡ଼ିକି ନର୍ମାଲ ଆମ ଟ୍ୟୁବଲ ପାଖରେ ତ ଟ୍ୟୁବଲ ଯୋଉ ପାଣି ଆମେ ଖୋଲନ୍ତି ସେଥିରେ ନର୍ମାଲି କ'ଣ କହିଲେ ବହୁତ ଜାଗା ଭାଇରସ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ଟେରିଆ ଫଙ୍ଗସ ଥାଏ ତାକୁ ଖାଇଲା ମାନେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହୁଏ ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ୍ ଫୁଡ୍ ବନାଉଛନ୍ତି ଦେ ଆର୍ ନଟ୍ ଟେକିଂ of spread there. Then next is maintain proper hygiene. That means you have to cleaning of bathing, all these things we have to take care of. Okay. Then Housing and Urban Affairs Department also directed all the urban local body district level officials to initiate immediate preventive measure and response measure. Okay. Department, so this is what mentioned. So you can see here the diarrhea facts. So causative agent क्या हो सकता है? बैक्टीरिया से भी डायरिया होती है, वायरस से भी होती है, पैरासाइट से भी होती है. If you are taking drugs, let's say medicine, if you are taking some medicine, so then there is a chances of diarrhea also. Then toxin also, food allergy, if you are having some allergy to any food, there is also diarrhea, vomiting, low fever, dehydration, and electrolyte changes. So these are the things. So what kind of step that you can take? Stop, diarrhea. So 5 step, fast, rest at home. You have to take rest at home. Then stay off work, school until you have symptom free for 24 hours. Drink clear fluid or oral dehydration solution, ORS powder ko पिया कर. Avoid artificial sweetener and alcohol or caffeine. Eat blended food like rice. Be very careful. So next is the fishermen ready to return to Bengal as fishing ban lifted. So recently we know that in Odisha, though there is the fishing ban is imposed after the Gairamata sanctuary turtle. So the annual marine fishery ban in Rapada district ended on the Sunday, paving the way for and resume their operation. So was this restriction were imposed to protect mass nesting of the olive ridley turtle. So dear student, comment in the comment box what is the IUCN status of olive ridley turtles, and olive ridley turtles are found in which location of the world. So please comment, see how many of you know that. Okay. Next we will see uh, so olive ridley turtle during their breeding season, with turtle having returned to their natural stay in Odisha coast. They come and lay their egg, and after hatching, after giving the egg, they simply travel back in the tropical water. कहाँ रहते हैं? Tropical water में. Tropical water means between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So uh, the heavily marine fishery for their livelihood. So their livelihood. So many of them rituals like boat ଆମେ যেটা କୁହନ୍ତି ଡଙ୍ଗା ମଙ୍ଗା ପୂଜା ଶୁଣିଥିବ ନା, before setting out sea within their boat. So Gairamata sanctuary spanning over you can say 1435 square kilometer from Mahanadi river mouth to Dhamra river mouth, India's first marine sanctuary. Though the seasonal fishery ban is lifted, the permanent restriction remain in force within permanently protected within the stretch of 20 kilometers from the coast. So entry into the zone is prohibited around the year, and buffer zone followed by 20 kilometer mark. So ये core region हमको किसी allow नहीं, तापर गोटे 20 kilometer buffer zone हमें बनेइछु. So dear student, a big question for all of you. You have to make note of what are the steps taken by the Odisha government. What are the steps taken by Odisha government for conservation of olive ridley turtle. So let me see how many of you know that, or you can simply make note of it, read it about. Like we have launched Operation Oliva, we have we have fishing ban, imposed fishing ban. We have also given the compensations to the farmer. So you have to make 5-6 points. What are the steps taken by the government to we can to protect or conserve the breeding center of the the olive ridley turtle. So the to enforce restriction, forest department has deploy 14 high tech floating buoys. Buoys means जो हमारे को कहलो एमती floating होती हो पानी ऊपर distance रे. To demarcate the boundary, despite such measure, official allege that some trawler owner department says that anyone entering this region without student, you can join our OPSC prelims test series. So it is very nominal fee, yet you will get high questions. So because all our questions are prepared by those who have given OPSC interview or UPSC interview, even OPSC and UPSC selected candidates. So we can expect at a very nominal price. So we are also preparing a daily current affair 4 to space. So it is a summarized version of all the newspaper that is happening all over the India world. So it is both helpful for your UPSC and OPSC, because nowadays OPSC is asking UPSC level questions. So you can get that by simply scanning this QR code. So next is the mastermind arrested in explosive loot case. So recently there that is emerged. Some Noxel, some involved people, they loot you can say the gelatin sticks that is being transported to a quarry or mining sector. So the key mastermind recently arrested. The police on Sunday arrested the prime accused and mastermind behind the loot of the 5 tons of explosive by Maoist from a vehicle near Stone Quarry in Sundargarh district. So name is Munda. So, in passing the important information to the Maoist, he was main conspirator from beginning to the loot, actively pass information to the Maoist. This person named Munda actually passed all this information regarding the movement of the gelatin sticks, like how the vehicle is movement, at what time it is located. Maoist has successfully looted that. So he was very vocal against the query, and he then took issue to the Maoist. So he was actually initially he opposed this quarry industry or iron the stone industry. So because of that, he passed the information so that there is a theft, theft of that gelatin sticks. So it was he has passed the information regarding the movement of vehicle with explosive. Okay, so a group of armed Maoists intercept the explosive vehicle, and that is going for the Itma, and they took all the gelatin sticks. So after the DGP of Odisha very swift action. Because of that, we have catch huge quantity of to locate the remaining thing. So it is a good thing. You can so there is a syllabus direct topics written in our OPSC syllabus. Internal security, left wing extremism. You can talk about how gelatin stick have been stolen without from our you can say the that is. I'm expecting a question this year from Olive Ridley Total. So either in prelims or main. So you have to study everything about Olive Ridley Totals, how, why they are coming to the Odisha, what are the steps taken by the Odisha for their conservation, from which location. Tell me in the comment box what are the location in which what are the location in which they lay their egg. Like Olive Ridley Total visited to the Odisha, which location they use as a nesting ground. So next देखो here we don't need to read everything. So 6 drowning separate incident, but here we can find some for our examination. देखो in Mayurbhanj district, 2 youth drowned while bathing in Palpala river inside the Similpal National Park. So that means we know that Palpala river is passing through the Similpal National. No need to study detail about that, but things that is important for our knowledge, we need to understand that. So this can be written in your mains answer writing, like how river is playing, or in prelims also they can ask about which river is passing through Similpal National Parks. Okay, this is the important point. The next is Brahmani river is passing through Raulkela. So you can understand that the two river, Sankha and Koel, they mix at Bedbyas. Bedbyas. After that, it is called as Brahmani River, and Bedbyas is located near to the Raulkela. I have visited that place. It's a very beautiful place. If you have find time, you can visit that. There is a very peaceful and calm place. You can enjoy that place. Okay. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So here it is given the lightning kill for. देखो, normally it is not important for our examination. Apart from one single word, what is it? It is Kal Baisakhi induced storm. So you have to study about Kal Baisakhi. Kala Baisakhi. माने कौन Kala Baisakhi माने? At what time? Just note down what you have to study. What is Kala Baisakhi? At what time Kala Baisakhi struck? Why it is very violent, and what are the why it is caused severe death of the people in Odisha? It is causing severe lightning. Why it is causing torrential rainfall? So you have to study that. And what is the timing of Kala Baisakhi? Kala Baisakhi generally they are coming before the monsoon, and it is actually convection rail. Whenever land is heated off intensely, when land heated intensely, so it start rising upward. It start rising upward, and with rising upward, it create a huge cloud. And because of this cloud, there is severe lightning and rainfall is happen. So it is called Kala Baisakhi in Odisha, West Bengal, Assam. Okay. So this Kala Baisakhi have the different name in different part. It is also called cherry blossom, mango shower. Okay, different part. It's having different names. So it is the part of the geography you have to study and understand in detail. Okay. Hope I think it is helpful. So next, dear student, you can join our Dronacharya Year-long mentorship program. Here you will get quality guidance. Next is daily answer writing program. Those who are preparing for 2026, you can join that. Yes, this is a free mentor. By scanning this QR code, you can join by scanning this QR code. So I think today these are the news, important news of Odisha specific related things. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me or write in the comment box. I'll give you answer that. Otherwise, we'll have to end our discussion here. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe to this channel, and please share this channel with your friends, so that I am putting a lot of effort for all you people. So if this channel grow, motivate me to be bring high quality content. Grow properly, I'll make sure that all my time I'm devoting of you. So I'll guide you high quality. Since even previous year we started a interview guidance program. In that program, even everyone given the feedback, more than 50-60 students they get within 100 rank. A lot of students they get a good rank. So we are going to guide you throughout this journey. Okay. If you have any doubt during discussion, just write in the comment box. At the end of the discussion, I'll discuss all these things. Okay. So whatever task I'm giving each and every day, please practice that, so that it'll move forward with a good knowledge, so that prelims, mains, and interview is not going to be a headache for you. Okay, dear student. I think we'll have to end our class here. Okay. चलिए, bye bye, take care, have a good day. Tomorrow we'll meet again.